Yes, it's time for another trade recap. We'll go through some trades that I did take today during London session that I won, and it was this GBP USD trade. And let's start from high time frame, what I saw and why I did take that short position. So we can see that on GBP USD, we are in this huge dealing range from this low to that high, right? And this is our strong low, this is our weak high, and we did come back down here, took out these lows, traded up, and now we did take out these high and also this high with two very massive bullish candles, right? So this one indicates for me that we are probably going to look for some buy side liquidity, but we need to now probably get down a little bit to a lower price before pushing up once again. So that's my thought on the weekly time frame. And then on the daily, not on this one, but on sometimes I did have this Oanda trade. Yeah, so on Oanda we did have this swing low taken out, and once I saw this swing low being taken out, let's remove this. I understood that we had made a shift lower, or understood that we have temporarily changed from a bullish to a bearish bias on lower time frame. So this one looks much clearer on the H4, and we can see that this is our weekly BC, this gray area. So my thought process was that we will trade down to this weekly BC and then probably look for some long setups. So I didn't want to overcomplicate, so we did have sell side liquidity resting below all of these lows. We did on daily, we did have this daily CB, but we closed below this, so it's more or less a breakaway gap or breakaway fair value gap, whatever you want to call it. So now from yesterday's trading, because it was Monday, we saw this low pushing up, taking out this swing low. We pushed up, we took out the Asian high, and then we saw this shift in market structure, or we saw this breakout structure. Then we pushed up once again, and then we took out this swing low, right? Which was the Asian session. So once I saw that this low was taken out, when we already are in a downtrend on H1, we are in a downtrend here. We're just pushing to a discount, or sorry, a premium. So we are in a huge bearish trend, right? When we look in the H4, we can see how many consecutive bearish candles, right? Bam, 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 bam. And all of this was, I did say that we will probably see a bullish rejection on the DXY, and which we also did, which is why we saw this huge sell-off. So once I saw that we did take out this low, I just waited for another breakout structure. We can see that we did take out this low, and then I marked up this bearish order block. I put out sell limit, I'm a stop loss above here. And then I targeted all of these lows. And I caught a 124.2 RR. And now we can see price has pushed down. Pushed up, sorry. So price has pushed up now, and we can see that we now have this high to this low, and we need to see if price is ready to use this as in would it close below, then reject it. If I were to see a structure, if price were to take out this low, that would be my entry to look for some shorts. But other than that, there's no reason to look for some shorts at this very moment. So this is our dealing range now, this high to this low. Let's see what price does. But yeah, so this is why I took this this short position. We were basically bearish on all time frames except maybe weekly. And yeah, that's the only trade I took for today. So that's the W for me for today. Okay, see you soon.